So let's discover together some verbs that will be constructed with the preposition de, and then they will be followed by another verb in the infinitive form. Okay, so we can start with the first one, and it's convenir de. Convenir de, and let's see the example. Il convient de le faire. Il convient de le faire. It is appropriate to do it. Il convient de le faire. So you can see that here you've got your verb convenir. So remember, it's the third group, so when you conjugate it, it's a bit olé olé, but then so this is the form, il convient. After that you have your preposition de right here, and then faire, verb, and it should be in the infinitive form. D'accord? Il convient de le faire. Let's see the second one. Décider de. Décider de, and the example. Je décide de me lever tôt. I decide to get up early. Je décide de me lever tôt. So in that case, it's quite interesting because I wanted to, well, obviously use first décider, but it's in the present form, so it's not really tricky. After that, as we saw, we need to use the de. D'accord? Then, I want to use this se lever verb, so to get up, but then it's a reflexive form. Remember that the infinitive, of course, se lever, will have to be adapted to the subject. So it's not possible to put se lever because the subject is je. D'accord? So you will have to put me here, the first person. When you conjugate a reflexive verb, it will be je me lève, tu te lèves, il se lève, nous nous levons, vous vous levez, il se lève. So I've been making a video, several videos covering this topic, but still, this is the concept. So remember that because the subject is je, so we won't put the full infinitive se lever, but we'll adapt the pronoun here to the subject. And so it's the first person, so it will be me. Je décide de me lever tôt. Voilà. On continue. Défendre de. Défendre de. And let's look at the example. Je te défends de sortir ce soir. I forbid you to go out tonight. Défendre de, to forbid in that case. Je te défends de sortir, so you can see that sortir is in the infinitive form, ce soir. Se dépêcher de. And let's have a look at the example. Je me dépêche de prendre ma douche. I'm hurrying to take a shower. Je me dépêche, so you can see that in that case I have been conjugating the verb, se dépêcher, je me dépêche. Then I'm putting the preposition de, and then infinitive, prendre ma douche. S'efforcer de. Je m'efforce de parler lentement. I try to speak slowly. Je m'efforce, same thing here. So I've been conjugating the verb s'efforcer. As you can see here, it's a pronominal verb, so I need to put here the pronoun. Je m'efforce de, preposition de, then infinitive parler, and then lentement the adverb. Empêcher de. Je l'empêche de faire des bêtises. I'm keeping him from doing anything stupid. Je l'empêche de faire des bêtises. The next one is essayer de. And the example, j'essaie de boire beaucoup d'eau. I'm trying to drink a lot of water. J'essaie, so this is your verb, present form, de, preposition, boire, infinitive, beaucoup d'eau. S'étonner de. Je m'étonne de lire ce livre aussi vite. I'm surprised to read this book so quickly. Je m'étonne, same thing here, conjugated, because it's a reflexive verb, so it's m here. De, preposition, verb, lire, infinitive, ce livre aussi vite. Éviter de. J'évite de faire des erreurs. J'évite de faire des erreurs. I avoid making mistakes. J'évite, preposition de, and then your verb faire, infinitive form, des erreurs. Féliciter de. Je le félicite d'avoir obtenu son diplôme aussi rapidement. I congratulate him for graduating so quickly. Je le félicite, so your verb is here, d'avoir obtenu son diplôme aussi rapidement. So now you will stop me and you will tell me, oh, Vincent, it doesn't look like an infinitive here. Avoir obtenu. So in fact, there is a thing that I've been covering previously, but you need to remember that in fact, in French, we have two forms for the infinitive. So previously in the examples that we had, we were talking about the infinitive présent, so the present form of the infinitive. So avoir, faire, parler, venir. But then it's also possible to use the past form of the infinitive. And the way to do it, so once again, I advise you to have a look at the video, but I mean, in a simple manner, you will basically use it like when you construct, or you will create it like when you create a compound tense. Meaning by that, passé composé, for instance. Remember, so obtenir, your verb here, well, it will be constructed with the verb avoir. So it means that avoir should be here in the infinitive form. And after that, it will be followed by the participe passé, this past participle form that we use to construct all the compound tenses. So in fact, avoir obtenu is an infinitive form, but it's a past form, so it's a past infinitive. Okay, so if it's not really clear, no problem. I've been making some videos for the past infinitive and the present infinitive, so you will understand everything after that. Okay, but clearly here it's an infinitive. Je le félicite. So you've got your preposition de, but obviously because you have a right after, it disappears and you put this apostrophe, d'avoir obtenu son diplôme aussi rapidement.